Merchants that sell fireworks this season have predominantly chosen Mix or Match Bundle Discount app by CSI Works. I'm going to demonstrate to you the top reasons why this app was chosen this year. BOGO is perhaps the most common deal that these merchants set up, and this is kind of how I have it configured. I have a scheduling component, right? So I can have this app triggering on a schedule, recurring, or just a one time. I'm utilizing a percentage, right? So I'm just saying 100% off, and the next component is, trigger on every 2 items, and I have a mix. Every 2 items gets 100% off, and it's a mix. I don't quite have fireworks, so instead I'm choosing beer. My entire beer collection is chosen, and here I can say that I want the lowest price item to be free. The other deal is buy one get 3 free, right? And how do you set that up? Again, we have the scheduling component, we have the name of the discount, and I'm using buy some get some here, and I'm going to say buy one item, and you can select which one of the items can be bought, and then get 3 items for free. I've selected 241 items in both of these categories, and they're the same, and they are that same category of beers I have selected. There it is. And so this gives me 241 items here, 241 items there. Customer has to buy one item and then get 3 items free of charge. This is going to be the buy one get 3 free versus buy one get one. And so then I have a mix here, and then the next screen is the same thing. I can choose the prioritization. I can do lowest price, I can do highest price, or alphabetical. Let me just cancel out of these. And so we have 2 of these set up, right? So I have my BOGO, and I have buy one get one get 3 free. So let me go ahead and just pause one of these, right? And I'm gonna execute BOGO and show you how that works. So here's my beer. I'm gonna grab this beer, and I'm gonna grab that beer. You see how this one is $25.86 and this one is $38, so we chose the cheapest beer and made it free. I'm gonna go to a couple more beers, and again, it chose 35 and 25 to be free. So it always will find the cheapest items, and it'll keep triggering, buy one, get one. That's essentially what we're doing here. Let me go ahead and exit out of this, and I will go ahead and pause this one for a minute, and let me go ahead and run this one. All right, so now I'm running this one, buy one get 3 free, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 1 beer, and now I can put 3 more beers, right? 1, 2, 3, and let's see what happens. So we have this beer free, we have this beer free, and we have that beer for money, and $38.79 is the most expensive of the 4 that will kept, and everything else becomes free. And so that's buy one get 3 free. Another thing Mix or Match can be helpful for is if you also have some manual discounts that you want to set up. You can, for example, say, let's go ahead and have a discount for firefighters, right? Firefighters disc, like that, and let's say it's going to be 20% off. All right, and then we can have another one for employee discount, so you can change, like you can have these, and you can have this one at 20%, and you can also have law enforcement, right? And you can do 20% like that. And now you have this list of manual discounts. And so if we go to register, right, so we're selling our fireworks in quantities of 4, right? And then we go in here and we navigate to other, and there's going to be manual discount that allows us to just pick and say, all right, we're dealing with firefighters. We can just grab this entire selection here and select. All right, and it'll ask you to trigger to select, and this right here is so that you don't double discount. Double discounting is another feature that you can control. You can come back to this app and you can say stacking settings. Right now it says do not allow discount stacking. This is what we've just encountered. But you know what? It's okay. We can say, all right, let's go ahead and allow discount stacking and always just apply without prompting. Or you can get prompted and choose which ones you want to apply. But let's just go ahead and just allow it. So now the discounts are allowed. We have some that are triggering automatically, and we have some that, let me try this again. So here's my beer, right? So 1, 2, 3. Let's just make it easy on the math. Right, so 2 beers are free, 1 is paid for, so we're still in for $25.86. We can just go to other tenders, choose manual discount, employee discount, grab one of these, right? Remember the other ones are already, and just give them another $5.17 off. There we go, and you can see that the buy one get one remained, and the employee discount on one of these was given, so they were given an additional discount on top of that one. And that right here is another reason why this app was chosen by the firefighters, because they felt that it covered most of the use case scenarios when they tried utilizing this app, and it stuck, and majority of the retailers across the nation that sell fireworks are utilizing this app to trigger these discounts. Feel free to call us. This is the number if you need any help. Feel free to send us an email. That's an email if you want any help or need any assistance at all. Thank you.